Once upon a sunny day in the meadow, our two curious turtle friends, Tammy and Tessa, decided to embark on a magical journey to discover the wonders of colors. Little did they know that their adventure would be filled with joy, laughter, and a rainbow of colors.
Look at all the colors, Tessa. It's like a rainbow wonderland.
I wonder what each color tastes like.
Tammy and Tessa decided to start their colorful journey with the red apple tree. What a delicious beginning.
Red tastes so sweet.
Let's check out the blue river, Tammy. I bet it's the tastiest.
The blue river was refreshing, just like the color blue. What a fantastic way to cool down.
Look, Tessa, yellow flowers. They're so pretty.
Yellow must be the happiest color of all.
Our turtle friends continued their colorful journey, learning and laughing along the way.
Learning colors is so much fun, Tessa. And every color has its own special magic.
Absolutely, Tammy. Our meadow adventure is like a colorful dream.
And so Tammy and Tessa's colorful adventure came to an end, leaving the meadow filled with the magic of learning and laughter.
Good night, Tessa. Tomorrow we can explore even more colors.
Good night, Tammy. Our meadow is the most magical place in the world.
And so the two turtle friends drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the beautiful colors that awaited them on their next exciting adventure.